Hey, I'm Pip and this is my gang of boys. Welcome to our dream home. Outside it's quite a block structure, but inside there's lots of beautiful curves. You'll sort of see them everywhere in the ceiling, the fireplace, the tiles, the lights. It just has a really soft feeling. So welcome to the heart of our home. The kitchen bench is my most favourite thing in the whole house. It's so textural and earthy. I love being in here. It's where we entertain. It's where our family gathers. One of our main goals was to create a home that was on the smallest footprint possible, but still felt generous. So this room's actually not very big, but because of the high ceilings, it feels really spacious and airy. And we've been able to define spaces with things like this fireplace that sort of separates the zones. Everyone thought I'd have a crazy, colourful house because of Jumbled, but I love that our house is really neutral and we can add colour to the space through art, through cushions, through vases, through glassware, and it all just moves around. This is like my evolving shrine of all the things that I love. And this is one of the artists that we represent, Elle Campbell, that just happened to fit so perfectly. We look up to Mount Canobolas, which is one of the famous landmarks of Orange, and we're just so lucky. We don't think we could ever get a better view. So all of the hallways are really wide and tall, and so are the doorways, so it gives a real sense of space. So we have the boys' side of the house. It's still really open, so we can kind of hear what's going on, but it's their own zone that they can bring their friends to, or perhaps their families when they grow a little bit older. This has to be the best bath of all time. I love nothing more than to sit in here and look out at that amazing view after a long day at work. We were able to create this long infinity pond that goes from water to sky. I love looking out onto it and the water play shadows that it creates up on the roof of the house. Because we get pummeled from all of the elements off Mount Canobolas, the snow, the rain, the sun and the wind, we've created all of these walls and internal courtyards so that any time of day we can enjoy the outdoors out of the elements. So the garden's been designed to be really drought tolerant and super easy to maintain. We've used grasses, olives, palm trees, so it's sort of that Australian Mediterranean feel. It was so hard to pick a colour for the outside render. Murabond helped us create our own colour that we called Rock the Casbah. It just means that we're able to blend in with the landscape. We never wanted to just be a house plonked on the hill. We wanted it to feel a part of the hill. So I hope you've enjoyed the tour of our home. Thanks for coming. See you again soon.